El gobierno de Canadá consideró inaceptables las restricciones que intenta poner Donald Trump al aluminio y al acero. Jerry Díaz, representante de Unifor, el sindicato del sector privado más grande de Canadá, indicó que si las negociaciones para la modernización del Telecan no concluyen y avanzan hacia un buen puerto, es por culpa del gobierno estadounidense.
If you take a look at why NAFTA is going nowhere, we just have to take a look at the behavior of the United States. NAFTA first launched in August of 2017. So you would expect a trading partner that is looking forward to forging a deal with Canada and with Mexico to put their best foot forward. But since August of 2017, the United States has put up every obstacle to carving a deal. Either the United States is looking for Canada, especially Canada and Mexico, to walk away from the table, or are they expecting the other two countries to completely capitulate to their outrageous demands?